Okay, everybody, we get receipts every day, unless you're like Nephil and you just take things and run. But what do we do with that slip of paper? I have tons of them in my handbag. Some of us save it to track our funds. Most of us crush them up, throw them in the garbage, right? Not this young man. He has turned that into art. By day, he's a marketing specialist, and by night, he's the receipt sketcher. That sounds so criminalish.
So like when you see me, I go run.
Hello, receipt sketcher.
Good morning.
This is
Hey,
Romaine
Romaine.
Lewis here with us this morning.
Oh, God.
There.
What does a receipt sketcher do?
I sketch on receipts.
It's as simple as that.
It's as simple as that.
And you've turned this into like a business?
Not really. It started off as me just wanting to clear my mind in the morning. Sit down with a cup of coffee. Sometimes I have some time before I head out to Kingston or something like that. I have the receipt there. Sometimes I have my pen and my notepad or my diary, and then I just sketch.
Have you always been an artist? You were an artist in school?
High school,
High school.
I love drawing. So
Yeah.
usually I'd go through several notebooks with more drawings than
Notes.
notes,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
but you were probably calling it doodling then. You never
Yeah.
realized it was such a
I didn't take it
skill set.
seriously.
Yeah.
So what was the first receipt you sketched at? You were actually at a restaurant or somewhere like that?
I'm always at Cafe Blue in the
So
morning.
it was the first
Free
one.
plug for
Yeah.
Cafe Blue.
So you just have it there and you what?
Yeah, that's it.
What was the first thing you did? The very first
It was
one?
just a face. It's a random face because I hadn't drawn anything in a while and I wanted to see. You know, you check if you still have it, if you can still do a little thing. The first one, I didn't feel like I had it. I'm like, you know,
So you crush it up and flang it away.
No, man, I kept it.
So how
I
big was the
gave it to
receipt?
the
How big
cashiers.
was the receipt?
They are, well, the size that you're seeing here. You can.
The first one you
span it.
did was that size.
Same size, all of them.
They didn't have thing where right on it or you turn it over and use the back.
And you
On
have
the front,
Bridget,
all of them.
Cafe Blue must love you because you have the Cafe Blue logo at the top of your. So you posted it to social media and bam.
The reception was really, really, really good. From persons at the cafe, persons at the gym. I have a few friends at the gym, and they encourage me. Well, rather, they bad me up and they say, hey, in the morning, sometimes we're commuting or we're sitting down and, you know, you're scrolling on your phone, this jumps out. And usually I put a little caption that tells a story that goes along with
I have a question
what it
for
is.
you.
Yeah, man.
So why you don't just turn over the back of the receipt, which is clear and gives you a
More
clear
room?
sheet of paper to sketch on? Because I'm looking at the server's name, I'm looking at all the elements.
All
I
of
mean,
that.
it's you spend $300. What you buy? What you did buy that day?
Medium, regular coffee, condensed milk, cinnamon. By the time I walk in, they know. But I like it with the elements in the back.
All right, Neville
Yeah.
has become inspired and he's sketching on
He's
his
sketching.
paper. So you just work
Interesting.
on that. I'll take it from you. What is the story in this picture? Wale, can we look at this one? What's the story here?
This one, my thought was you're going to have persons coming at you from different angles in life. Everyone is telling you how to go about your life, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, different perspective and opinions. However, you need to be in a place where you are calm regardless. Have peace of mind. Don't let persons try to dictate what you do. I come from the education background, and I've had students who were confused as to what to do with life. Parents telling them one thing, the media, everybody shout at them what to do. And it's important that they have a place where they can say, okay, this is what I want to do, and go. So that was the thought that morning.
I love this.
Morning.
And you just
Thank you.
inspired me as to
Turn
what to
some
tell
more.
the kids on Sunday at Immaculate
Yep.
graduation.
Yep.
Yeah,
Love that.
I appreciate that.
What about this one beside it?
This one, the weight of the world. The weight of the world might be on our shoulders at times. I had a meeting
I love
that
this.
day.
Romaine.
I had a meeting preparing for that day, and it felt like a lot. It felt burdensome. But even with challenges and adversities, we have to rise.
Yeah.
So the idea was rise.
Good idea. We have to go.
Yeah, man,
What
that's
you going to do with them?
So far, I've been giving them away.
Oh.
So
Okay,
you
Nev,
not
can
sell
we-
them.
I am considering.
Maybe I try to do
Let's
a
see
I'm
ball.
considering.
Let's see yours
Maybe I
now.
try to do a ball, but I get confused. So,
So what was the message of the ball?
just kick.
Just keep.
You know, that's how I feel right now.
Just
Hold
keep.
on,
That's how I feel.
don't watch who you kick. Good stuff from it.
Appreciate. Oh, I had something for you guys before my for come off.
Okay.
I brought 2 gifts from Cafe Blue for you guys.
Ambassador, you know. You will never pay for another coffee there again.
All right,
Thank
Jason.
you very
I
much.
brought gifts. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
Appreciate this.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Fantastic,
My pleasure.
Jason. Thanks, my friend.
Anytime.
The receipt SketchUp. Neville Bell.
Romaine.
No, Romeo.
Losing 5 is next.